Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how to edit your Pinterest profile. So here I've already on the page or on the Pinterest homepage, and if you want to edit your profile you can just click on your photo at the bottom right here, and then here on your profile you can just click on the three dots icon at the top and you'll find the edit public profile option. Just select that. Okay, so here is my profile, and if you want to make some changes you can just, for example, I want to edit my photo profile. Just click on edit and click on update profile picture, allow it. So just choose one of these. For example, I want to update into this one's right here is just a random photos. Okay, just uploading. Just wait until the uploading finished. Okay, so it has been changed. You can also change your first names right here, your last name, and your username. For example, I want to change my username like this, and then you can also change or share how you like to be referred to in Pinterest. For example, I'm going to click on this and click done. Okay, so the about here is to tell your story or to describe yourselves. You can just click on or write, for example, I love cute pictures, for example. Okay, just click done, and you can also add your website or add your link in here, and when you're done just click on the done button at the top. Oops. Okay, so it's failed. Okay, so now my profile has been updated. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment, and don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.